Hello everyone, my name is Kevaram Sonule and I am going to discuss the simple tooltip project using React. So this is a tooltip that will show the message in all the four directions according to the instructions given to it. So at first by default we have set the direction as a top. So when we hover on this button, the message will show at the top side. So if we click bottom button, now the bottom direction is activated, and when we hover on this button, the tooltip message will show at the bottom. Same as when we click on the left button and hover over this button, the tooltip message show at the left side of the button. Let's move to the file structure. For this I have written this code. This is a React functional component that renders a tooltip component with position options that can be selected by clicking on the buttons. The use state hooks is used to initialize the position state to top, which is a default position of the tooltip. This handle click function is used as a callback function for the on click event of each button. When a button is clicked, it updates the position state with the value corresponding to the button clicked. The tooltip component is rendered with the position state passed as a prop. This means that when the position state is updated by clicking on the button, the tooltip component is re-rendered with the new position prop value, and the tooltip is displayed in the new position specified. This is another React functional component that create a tooltip using material UI library. The tooltip is position based on the position prop passed to the component. The tooltip component take several props, including the title, which is a string that will display when user hover over the button, and the placement, which determines the position of the tooltip relative to the button, and an arrow which controls whether the tooltip has an arrow pointing to the button. Finally, the component return a button element wrap in the tooltip component with the title, placement, and arrow props set based on the value passed to the component. This is a app.css file where I have added all the CSS property for the HTML page, which make page attractive as well as responsive and looks good. Thank you.